Hello again. So now welcome to Tier 2 phase of our effort to discuss written programs which are worked examples. The text you see on the screen is the same program that was discussed in the past video. The lines that you see here include IOStream, include Conio, using namespace, are all the libraries as we said. But now here you see int main, you see the opening curly bracket and closing curly bracket here. But of importance to us is int x, int y, int z. As we said earlier, these are variables. So the keyword int, which means integer, is used to declare a variable called x. And this variable called x is a container which will get data, and that data will be processed. Similarly, what happens here, int y, another variable is declared, int z, another variable declared, just as we discussed in the past video. Now here, 5 is being assigned in x, 7 is being assigned in y, and here the operation is taking place. The content in x is added to the content in y, and the result is sent to z. Now here, we can see out z. What is in z? So the same text now can be compiled in this particular environment. It is a special environment where the text is read, the computer will interpret it, and it will do exactly as it has been instructed line by line. So if we want to see what is the computer's reaction, let us now come here and run this program. So what you see here, the program has already run, and after running, actually, let us first compile. After compiling, let us run it. Now the program has run. After running, we can see here number 12. This is the result of addition of 7 to 5. Now, let us come here. I am changing the content in this container and I'm putting 50 there. And I'm changing the content in this container and I'm putting 78 there. So if 50 is added to 78, what will happen? I'll need first to build the program. After that, it means these particular changes have already been incorporated. If I come here and run, I am getting 128. This is the result of addition of those two numbers which were inputted into variable x and variable y. To understand better, let me change and say maybe this is going to be 200. And let me change this one up to, let's say, 556. Then this is the same program. This is the container x. Now it is receiving 200 as its content. This is variable y. Now it is receiving 556 as its content. But here, when addition is going to be done, the content 200 will be added with 556, and the answer will go to z. And we shall see that answer at this particular juncture. But in order to see it, let us now make the computer read the text. It has already read. Let us see what happens. We are getting now 756, which is the result of adding 200 and 556. This one takes us to the end of Tier 2 of discussing worked examples in order to understand programming. And at this juncture, we are still looking at variable declaration, data feeding variables, data operation, and outputting data from variables. For now, this marks the end of this particular video, and thank you for listening.